very good boy, good boy, like to be pleasant and not stir the boat and be liked and not say anything, not express anger. So he had a nice personality. That's the thing. Like a good boy, nice boy, people pleaser, conflict avoidant. All of these are flavors of false personality. False personality can be like, I was much more obnoxious, you know. My personality was stronger. I remember that I was in the school and I was 25 or something, and then I was with this lady. She was like 52. She told me, dude, you are like hard to be with, you know, like one can have this arrogant, know-it-all, bossing people around. Look at me, it's all about me. It's like, yeah. But one can have the same false personality that is super nice and, hey, are you okay? Everything's okay. You know, hey, I want to make sure that this, and, you know, not saying no. I know people like that. It's very, it's very, let's say it's loving, wants people not to get hurt and wants to be loving, but then they hurt themselves, and actually they do create hurt by not being themselves. So, you know, this false personality can look very nice, you know, and from one angle that's even harder to, I mean, I don't know if it's harder, but because, you know, I'm on top, I'm like loving and generous and all of that. Yeah. Another thing, you know, was that, oh yeah, I came out of my office, and then it was an anti-chamber there in where I work. And I remember this moment. There were like 3 people there. I knew them all. And there was a dog. 3 people and a dog. And I was like, everybody lit up when they saw me. I also liked them. I was like, hey, 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 and the dog. And it was like all this energy. And then I went to the dog and I petted him like, hey, buddy. And I said, I was aware of this. Hi. And I had this love and energy. And then I said this out loud. And this is the only one I can pet. You know, it would be inappropriate to be like, hey, but the dog, that's fine. You know, actually, the dog is in essence. So the dog is in essence, evokes essence. If somebody is in essence, it evokes essence in us, you know. A true friendship, and that's a true friendship is an essence friendship. So you'll recognize as you do the work, you will realize that some of your friends, they're false friends. I mean, it's not that they are not a good friend, but it's a false personality friend. They don't know me. And it's all this false shit from false shit, you know. So that if you are serious about the work, that will fall off. It's going to fall off. From one angle, it's good to develop a friendship in the work in essence. So this environment here, it's fosters a growth of consciousness as well as growth of essence, and it's more enjoyable actually. And I mean, I know it's limited here, YouTube and all that video. I mean, but like if you were to have a dinner or go somewhere, you know, which we could do maybe someday.